In order for Camo to show up in Zoom, so that everything you do in Camo shows up inside of Zoom, you need to be in your Zoom menu bar, okay? And go to the video icon that you see here. Click on this little drop-down menu, and you have to make sure you select Camo Camera from here. That's how the connection is made. And now any change that you make inside of Camo will show up in Zoom. People will see that content there. All right, so that's how you make sure that it is connected. Now you do have to have given permissions when you initially downloaded it. The second step after downloading is allowing permissions, and you have to do that by going into your system settings, privacy and security, and it's under screen, system, and audio recording. I have a Mac, so I can show it to you here on the Mac, and you have to make sure that you have allowed Camo Studio to have permissions under screen and system audio recording, as well as system audio recording only. So when you've enabled these things, these are some of the extra steps that it takes. It's a matter of privacy and security. So double check your system settings, whether you're on a Mac or a PC. Make sure that you've granted permission.